Smartphone cameras have come a long way, but with the right accessories, you can take them to a completely different level. Today, I'll show you how to transform your phone into a professional photography and video setup using some of the best products I've ever tested. We'll cover cases, adapters, cinematic filters, microphones, telephoto lenses, portrait optics, and lighting, everything you need to unlock your phone's full potential. The first and most important accessory is a phone case. I've been using this new wear every single day, and honestly, it's one of the best designed cases I've tried. It has a soft faux leather finish that feels premium, doesn't slip, and most importantly, it comes with the three interchangeable adapters: a 17mm plate adapter for all new rear lenses, a T-shaped adapter for additional gear, and 67mm adapter for ND and CPL filters. This case is the foundation of the entire setup. Once you have it, you can attach almost anything. The next essential upgrade is the NeeWear filter set. Inside the kit you get ND filters, CPL filter, FLD filter, a camera hood and a protective cap. Using ND filters is what gives your video the cinematic motion blur you see in movies. But here is a trick: you will need to shoot in manual mode to get the best results. For iPhone users, I highly recommend the Blackmagic Camera app. It gives you full control over ISO, shutter speed, and white balance. I've also tested this filter set before with the Xiaomi 15 Ultra photography kit, and it's a complete game changer. You can find the link to complete video review appears now on the top right corner of the screen. Now let's talk about my favorite accessory, the NeeWear 7X telephoto lens. It attaches directly to the 17mm screw mount on the case and comes with a protective storage box and rubber lens cap. Inside the package you also get a universal 17mm clip, so you can use this lens even without the NeeWear case. This lens is really incredible for capturing distant subjects, but here's an important tip: mount your phone on a tripod. Hand holding it will almost always cause shaky footage. When I attach it to the main iPhone camera and switch it to 2x zoom, I get in total 14x optical zoom. And if I mount it to the 5x telephoto camera, that's an insane 35x optical zoom with real optical clarity, no digital cropping. It even has manual focus adjustment. But there is one challenge: the iPhone's native app loves to switch into macro mode automatically. To avoid that, I recommend using any manual focus app that lets you stay locked on your subject. If you don't have the NeeWear case, don't worry. The universal 17mm clip lets you attach the lenses to almost any phone. I use it on my Xiaomi 15 Ultra, which I keep protected with this 2DA case. It's a fantastic case, dual layer protection, gear grip, and it even supports MagSafe. I tried many different cases before, and this one appeared to be one of the most comfortable. With a 17mm clip, you can manually recenter the lens to get the perfect alignment. Of course, the dedicated case is more stable, but this is the great alternative. For portrait, the NeeWear 2.5x lens is a must-have. It's made of glass and metal, feels very premium, and the image quality is absolutely stunning. It's a little heavier and bulkier than 7X lens, but the extra weight comes from exceptional glass quality. One of my favorite things about this lens is that it comes with a 72mm protective cap. That means if you already own the camera gear like I do with my Sony RX10, you can reuse any 72mm filters or accessories on this lens. As a result, you'll get the professional level portrait with beautiful depth and natural bokeh. This accessory is small but incredibly powerful, the NeeWear magnetic mirror light. It snaps securely onto MagSafe compatible cases and has a built-in mirror, so you can always keep yourself in a focus when vlogging. It's a perfect for close-up products review, vlogging with your back camera, or adding soft flattering lights to your portraits. Combine this with the NeeWear lenses and filters, and you've basically got a mini studio setup right into your pocket. And speaking about the microphone, my favorite so far, and again this is not sponsored, is the Blackmagic mic. Here is why this mic is special. It's a transformable microphone system with a main pod and two detachable wireless mic inside the pod. You can use it as a professional dual mic setup for interviews, vlogging, or multi-person shoots. The kit includes a small tripod along with different wind covers and noise cancellation shields for clean, stable audio. The packaging and overall vibe are very similar to what you get with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 kit, compact and premium. The build quality feels solid and high-end. It doesn't feel cheap at all. The real magic, it uses a built-in AI chip that processes your voice in real time, reducing background noise and balancing sound levels automatically. I'm actually recording this entire video using the Blackmagic mic, and to me it sounds better than any other microphone I've tested so far. The only downside is that it doesn't have a built-in memory. To make it work, I connect the receiver directly to my iPhone, use the voice memo app to capture clean, high-quality audio. It's an extra step, but the results are absolutely worth it. As you can see, ND has really built an ecosystem that lets you transform any modern smartphone into a pro-level camera. My recommended setup: start with a ND phone case, add the ND CPL filter kit, get the proper mic, use a 7x telephoto lens for long distance shot, but remember to use a tripod, the 2.x lens for perfect portraits, and the magnetic mirror light for vlogging and products review. And don't forget, for the best results, always shoot using apps like Blackmagic or Leica to unlock the full manual control. If you want to take your mobile photography to the next level, this is one of the best and most affordable upgrades you can make.
And guys, if you found this episode interesting today, just hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, because we'll have a lot more interesting comparisons coming in the next days. Stay tuned and see you in the next one. Cheers. Bye.